Alright, so in this segment of webinar, we're gonna see some text transformations which are available in Power Query. So if we'll go to transform, and in the text column, we can see we have options for splitting, we have options for formatting, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, then merging, extracting certain characters. All these in transformations are available in Power Query, and using this we can automate our data transformation process. So let's take this example. In this column, city, country and region are separated using a pipe separator, and what we require is that each category in 3 separate columns. So we're going to split this column. So with this column selected, I click on split column, and then by delimiter. So Power Query is intelligent enough to recognize what is the delimiter in this column, and which is and hence it has picked custom. Apart from custom, we have these options available by default: colon. And that's put pipe into the field, and then since we need each occurrence, we need city, country and region in 3 separate columns, so we'll select this each occurrence of the delimiter. Let's click OK. And yeah, that is it. So it works just like your regular text to column in Excel, but the only difference is that in text to column I have to run this all every time I receive the data, any update in the records or in the data table. Here I have to just run it once, and all I need to do is refresh the table, and it will automate the entire process of splitting the column into 3. And we can actually do some extraction also. So let's say we just need the first 2 characters also from in a separate column, or let's say in the same column, so depending on where we are using the selection from. So remember, just like date transformation, we have this text transformation available under transform and under add column. All those options are available common in between these 2. So let's say for order ID, I need to just extract the first 2 digits in a separate column. So I'll select this option from add column and extract, and I'll say the first characters, and in this option I'll just give the number, how many characters I need, and yeah, it has given me it. So I can this is my store code. So if any new data is added in the Power Query, then this will this will perform the exercise all over again. All these steps which we have performed, even for the date transformation and all the text transformations, the Power Query will perform this apart. And so in Excel we have formulas for uppercase, lowercase. All we can perform it here with mouse selection. The only so one of the key information which we have to keep in mind, that Power Query is case sensitive. So such transformation we have to ensure whenever we're gonna do a merge. This comes into there, it really helps. So we're gonna learn that next, how to merge 2 tables. But all this trim, clean, add prefix and suffix, it's available. So all we have to do is select the right option, and Power Query will do it for us. And in case if we do not remember where to select what option, what we can do is we can use column from examples, and it will create a separate column for us. For example, we want to extract the year out of it, so 2019. This is what we need to extract out of this. So we'll select this, and we'll go column from example, and from selection. And then just like flash fill in Excel, I have to just demonstrate by giving an example. So I just type 2019, and this is what it is available here, and it will give me that. In case if I need the last part of it, so I'll just type 7407039. Sorry. And it has recognized that this is what I'm trying to extract, and I can have my own combination. Let's say I want to add 74039 and then hyphen 2019, and again I have to demonstrate it 2905 0313 2019. Then it has recognized, oh, this is what you're trying to do, and it gives me the option, and when I click OK, it adds a column with that example. So this is column from example, and I can do plenty of stuff in column for example. There is a separate blog I've written for columns for example, so the description, and I've shared in the link below, and so please visit that for more details. Alright, so that's more on text transformation. Next we're gonna look into merge queries. Thank you.